all the titles of presentations, but I see here Vladimir Kuzin, who is in Ukraine right now, and he has, as I understand, the opportunity to be with us right now. So I would like to propose him to talk while he has electricity. Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. So I may start. Yes.
Yes, of course.
Okay. So let me share the presentation.
Vladimir is while he is sharing his screen, I will represent him a little bit. It is a student of our bachelorate in Physical Technical Institute in KPI, Kyiv Polytechnical Institute, National Technical University of Ukraine. And he is one of the people who are working practically with cloud platforms for satellite data processing. And Vladimir will share his experience within our international project. Yes, please.
Yes, thank you. Let me know if you can see my presentation.
Yes, we can see and hear you very well.
Okay, so let's start. So again, hello to everyone. I really appreciate being invited to the conference and you taking the time to be here. Uh, for today, I would like to tell you about EU4UA initiative program, which aim is to support Ukraine in these difficult times. Before we start, I want to thank one more time for all and to introduce co-authors of paper. It's my colleague Andrei Shelistov from National Technical University and Jan from Cloudflare. Cloudflare is a software company uh, which provides virtual machines for researchers for science and also supporting company, one of the members of this program. Uh, Next, for the outline of this presentation, I want to talk about today trends, about what is cloud and why we are using it, about European solution application of cloud technologies, about its features and our applications. Uh, I want to start from some general reasons, background of this presentation of this research. Uh, as we know, there is amount of satellites in space is increasing very fast. For example, Starlinks from Elon Musk, their very fast growth is like exponentially. And from these satellites, we get an enormous amount of data, and we can't process it manually like in old times uh, when we just old methods. But now we should use some modern technical solutions. We should use cloud and its methods provide it capabilities that we can order. So what about cloud solution? Uh, with it we can order some modern hardware with it capabilities, virtual machines. We can custom it with some additional volumes, choose image of it, and another customizations, settings, and so on. But with it, we can fast scale our infrastructure for especially for us. Uh, Also, uh, we have some security reasons of using it because our data can be lost with using this cloud, and it's about data integrity, as I can say. Uh, Also, in terms of saving money, because we pay only for uh, capabilities that we ordered, not for unused. This is a lot of advantages, as I can say. Uh, let's move on. And before I start this slide, I want to say that EO4UA initiative program also provides this uh, cloud platform and its resources, its data storage, its virtual machines in terms of this program, its help Ukrainians and other international authorities to make the research to help Ukraine, and all in this direction. So with actually CREADIA's cloud platform, you can see there is more than 30,000 terabytes of data. Is very big storage from different datasets as Sentinel-1, 2, Landsat, uh, and much more. And what about you can use this data immediately from their storage? You don't need to download it. There are some tools mm, with it. You can persist data. You can analyze it, get and search. There are also programs like EO Plus, when you can where you can get some very high resolution images and process them. If we talk about services, there are different services with virtual machines, actually like similar to famous big companies from Amazon, from Microsoft, or from Google. But there are more pluses in ways that is more concentrated in direction uh, dealing with geodata, with images, and there are special storage for it, and more automatic operations. So we easily can get access to them, easily search, choose what we want, settings for as we want, and work for our researches uh, as we can. Uh, um, in next slides, I will tell you about more concrete tools of data processing in this cloud platform. First one is your browser, where you can visualize observations. You choose data set, you choose cloud coverage, select data range, uh, and you can choose between variants that it find, and visualize also. You can make screenshot and upload it. You can choose place, Ukraine or another country in Europe or world to see possible images. Also, you can choose different bands like DVI and so on. Next is tool is EO Finder. It's more advanced in terms there are more settings. Uh, you can also choose coverage, data range, but as a result, we can get not only uh, images but also routes to the save files which located in its storage in CryoDS storage, and with these routes we can search for data in different program environments to process it more conveniently. For example, you can use their Jupyter Hub. It's a simple Jupyter notebook, but it's already embedded in their platform. So you can make some operations like product query and selection, where you make same settings and get same products. You can use these products by displaying, by them converting in more suitable variants, and a lot of stuff actually. And one of the most important tool is Cloud Dashboard, where is very similar, maybe inspired by Amazon or something similar actually, where you can see your instances, its capabilities, uh, customize it. You can choose images like Ubuntu, Linux, Windows. When you set it up, you can connect it with IP. You all, of course, need some key to get this instance as from the terminal, and actually work with it as you want in terms of data processing. And in this term, we get our JPortal application, which is front end part is backend part is located in this cloud platform. Backend part is GeoServer, where our raster data and vector data are posted. Actually, we can load data from PostGIS database, from the local storage of CryoDS, from the local storage of from your computer. Then this data from GeoServer is transporting to Mabender while VMS protocol. uh, Mabender can only work with set up the Apache protocols with PHP, and the default, or maybe default database is SQLite. You can choose another, maybe MySQL or something else. And the layers created from the GeoServer can be visualized for the user in this place. Uh, and this is our products. There you can see map classification of territory of Ukraine. Uh, is general how our geoportal looks like. Also, there is burned areas and Kyiv region, and there may be some another special products like deforestation, uh, like any damaged areas. can be visualized here. And we nearing to the end of my presentation, so let me conclude what I want to talk about. It's that there are some tendencies that we need more computational powers in terms of amount of data that is grows very fast, and that technical solutions is we can find in clouds because they're very effective. And one of these solutions is CRIS, which is very promising, is have a lot potential to growth, to provide us a lot of resources, a lot of opportunities, and so on. And we should understand that we need to keep research in that way. And my work is aim to make some research in this difficult time and show there make some experiments and show there are some ways that we can help our country and find another solutions for basic problems. Yes. Thank you for your attention. Maybe you have some questions, so let me know.
Thank you very much. Are there any questions to Volodya? No. Okay, thank you very much once again.
Mhm.
The next